So today we'll go on through equipment. Okay. So the T codes I think I told last class IE01, 02, 03 and report IH08. Okay. And table EQ, UY and EQ, UZ. Okay. So IE01 create, IE02 change and IE03 display. Report is IH08. Okay. Structure list. Yeah, IH03. Table EQ, many tables. This is two tables EQ, UY and EQ, UZ. And equipment of sub equipment. Usually this is configuration with C. Equipment number cannot be renamed. Maybe you can write in your handout. Okay. Cannot be renamed. We don't have renaming possibility and we need to see number ranges. Okay, these are very key things with respect to equipment. Okay. So God. Yeah. Okay. So okay. Oh, so equipment T code IE01. Okay. So equipments are normally created with numbers or alphanumeric. Normally numbers are alphanumeric. That is coming from number ranges. We'll see. So that number ranges are set up for the category. So normal category is M. Normal equipment category is M. We'll be creating new categories also. Okay. Normal categories like M, F, let's say categories M. You don't want to give here. You can give if that is external. Internal means don't give anything here, press enter. Okay. So give the description. Okay. Give the description bearing one like that. Same as usual, you will understand. So till this all are same. First three tabs, there is no change. First three tabs from equipment tab, there is no change. Here only your change starts. Here only your change starts. First three is common. Okay. So you can see here, this is from the number ranges through category. When you save, automatically number will be created. You can see the number. This is your equipment number. This number created cannot be renamed. And there is no deletion option. Deletion, that is through program level, but by standard, we don't have the navigations to delete here. As usual, we have the deletion flag. As usual, we have the deletion flag. There is no delete option. Program level, maybe, yes, there are program level, but it is not advisable if there is no proper reason. So if for any case you try to go with the deletion flag, this number cannot be renamed. There is no alternative labeling. There is no alternative labeling. Okay. So from the equipment perspective, what you can tell. So okay, yeah. So if this is a bearing, okay, if this is a bearing, in this bearing, still under the bearing, I have still some other objects. Actually, first equipment is definition we discussed last class. Again, I'm telling it is a single physical object. Anyone have any doubt on the definition for FL? Anyone? Any questions? Anyone have doubt on the equipment definition? Anyone? Equipment is a single physical piece of object. Okay, that we discussed. I think so. Okay, so that is called equipment. So if I have 5,000 motors, means I need to have 5,000 equipments because I need the maintenance history, I need the cost history, I need the resource, how many people work, like that, still, etc. Okay, I need individual history. That is what we are coming for equipment. Okay. And yeah, as I told, if this is a bearing, okay, in this bearing still I have some other things, like for example, this is bearing, right? Under bearing now I have coupling, okay, and I have some shaft, and I have electrical system. Example, okay. These are the three things are there. Example. So maintenance is done on different things, but since you have the equipment, all will be on this equipment only. But your higher level, they want to separate maintenance history. You can create this as sub equipment. You can create this as sub equipment. Hearing me? Hello? All are hearing me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So this you can create a sub equipment functionality. Okay. Nothing, same IE01 only. Same IE01 only. Okay. Take this equipment 1000 3050. Okay. So you can see here the equipment field is empty here. Okay. In the structure tab down, the equipment field is empty. Structure tab down, the equipment field is empty, right? So 1000 350. So go to IE01. Okay. Go to IE01, press enter. So what is this? Coupling, bearing, coupling. Okay. So always first to give the maintenance plan. That is the main work you need to do. If you try for different plant, it will throw error. Same like FL and equipment, the maintenance plan should be common. The maintenance plan should be common. Okay. Okay. So keep your 1710 itself. Same plan that is. Okay. Go to your structure. Go to this button. You can see the field here, superior equipment. You can see a field here, superior equipment 1000 3050. If you press enter, see different plant. Okay. What is this plant? I didn't check. Maybe I didn't enter. Okay. Go to change. Okay. Okay, I have taken 110. Okay, fine. So now create new equipment. Everything same. Okay. So bearing, coupling, center, give the correct maintenance plan which your superior is having. Go to structure tab, click this button, same, and give this equipment here. You can see here superior equipment. Superior equipment. So 1003050. So this equipment will be a sub equipment for this main equipment. That's it. Only you are attaching here. Save it. Now if you go to the mother equipment, 50, enter structure tab. You can see the sub equipment with here. This is called sub equipment. All T code, everything same, nothing. Only you are going to put here superior equipment in the structure tab. This is called sub equipment. You can create multiple sub equipments. They are not like one. You can enter multiple sub equipments here. So this is called sub equipment functionality. Any open questions? Anyone? Okay. So next we have something called as this and all is same deletion flag. Okay. And your change maintenance plan, change category, same as FL. Okay. And your action log, change log. Okay. Next difference is usage list. This is one of the difference between equipment and FL. Usage list is one of the difference between equipment and FL. FL, this functionality is not there. Why I am telling specifically, sometime in the technical round, they may ask you what are the differences between equipment and FL. So this is one of the difference. So if you go to the usage list, you can see only the FL field is empty. The FL and superior field is empty here. Okay. So if you go back, go to structure. Okay, go here. So install it to FL. Okay. So enter, save. Again, go inside, go to structure, dismantle, dismantle. I'm removing it, confirm, save. Now, if you go to the usage list, it is empty because the configuration is not activated. There is a configuration for this. You can write in your HANA, this is one of the difference, usage history. Equipment is having, FL is not having. Master data, technical object, equipment. This is your equipment configurations coming here. Enter. Here. Here. Okay. So if you go here, if you give the tick mark, okay, for category M, if you give the tick mark, usage history. This is usage history configuration only for equipment. Save it. Transport request in dev system. Now go here, back, go to structure, go to dismantling, confirm. That is you are installing FL. Okay, enter. You need to save it. Then only it will take. You need to save it. Enter structure. Go to here, dismantle. I did 2 times now. Save it. Now go inside. You can see it is install and dismantle. Before only one line, now extra 2 lines. This gives the history of your FL installing and dismantling. This is called usage history controlled by configuration. Okay. This functionality is there in equipment and not in FL. Usage list or usage history update. Usage history. Okay. So this is one of the difference between equipment and FL. Okay. And then sub equipment we had seen, usage list we had seen, right? And then there is no alternative labeling. There is no alternative labeling. FL we had alternative labeling. Alternative labeling for renaming FL through config. That also in equipment you don't have the alternative labeling functionality. Okay. This and all same order report, notification report, IW29, IW39, IW20. This and all preventive. This and all. Okay, that is all preventive. We'll see during that time. Okay. Next is okay. So what we need to see here, technical incident number. There is a field technical incident number is technical identification number. Technical identification number is you can use like as a sort field also. Okay, any drawing number or bearing size or any specification like that you can use it. No very big importance, but yeah, it's one of the field, not an FL in a keyboard is there. Okay, sorting criteria which can be freely chosen from the technical bit. So just can use it for it. This construction type is important entry question. We'll discuss during bomb. We'll discuss that part. During bill of material, we'll discuss that construction type. Surya, you're here. Construction type. Surya,
Yes, yes.
what is the significance of it? What is it?
Material of different, I think,
Material.
material of different materials
We'll discuss it. You are
having
coming
the
now.
same.
Idea. We'll discuss. We'll discuss. We'll discuss during material
Yeah,
bomb.
yeah,
Material bomb.
yeah,
Okay, very important. We'll discuss. Well,
yeah.
going bomb. We'll discuss that. This is a very important interview question actually. Okay. So then, yeah, that's all on the creation of equipment. That's all on the creation with respect to equipment. Okay, now we'll see for the equipment category. Okay, other than that, all are same. First three is same, only structure. Here you see superior field, construction type. Construction type is there in FL also. This is there in FL also. Okay, and your sub equipment functionality. And this is system status used. That and all we did configuration. Surya, I need to do for you. We'll discuss later.
Yeah.
Okay. And yeah, now coming to the configuration. So your equipment category is coming from here. This is the node to create your equipment category. Okay. So if you go inside, okay. So standard category M, don't touch it. Whatever you are doing, play with other categories, don't touch M. Okay. So we'll see how to create a new category. Okay. So we'll create as two. One is there, we'll create two. Two. So this is your reference equipment category. Okay. In interview, they won't ask, just I'm telling you. Only when you're creating your equipment, you will come this reference machines and PRT. PRT will be seen. So machines, okay, normally machines. Equipment category, give some name, whatever you want. Okay. Like Alvin name, I'll put right. So this field is little important, okay, that is related to number ranges, okay, that we'll discuss. This is change log, workflow, nothing. View profile, okay. This is view profile that we already completed, okay. So this is how to create a new equipment category. So save it, okay. So equipment category, since it is a new category, you need to set up number ranges. I'll come there, okay. Before that, I want to show something. I'll come now, I'll come here. Okay. I'll come and do this, but before that, I want to show something. Okay. So now we created new category, category 2. Yeah. So new category, you can see the FL field is non-editable. This is very important. Write in your hand note, even for the entry perspective. If you tell this and all in the technical note, it is very good. Okay. If a new equipment category is created, the FL field is non-editable because this is controlled by the configuration. This is controlled by this configuration. Please write in your hand note this one. Define installation at FL. If you are not doing this configuration for new category, you cannot install your equipment to FL. Okay, this is very important. Okay, this is very important config from the equipment perspective. Here, okay, it's an entry question also. Okay, so you need to do this configuration. Go and say, just give a tick mark for a category 2. Give the tick mark here. Save it. Okay. Now you should be. You can see the FL field is editable. Okay, so this config is important from the equipment perspective. If you tell this and all in the intro, it will be a plus for you in the technical note. Okay, put a star in your hand note. Okay, FL installation FL if it is a new equipment category. Okay, so this is a difference. This is status profile. Okay, so for your category, this we completed. If you want, you can assign a status profile. And then number ranges. And then you need to see the number ranges. Field selection and we completed. That's it. If you do the number ranges, equipment is completed. This is the number ranges. Okay. So, okay. So now coming to the number ranges. Number ranges are of two types, internal and external. Okay. Internal number ranges and external number ranges. Okay. So external means like FL. Like FL, if you give from the hand, this is external. I'm giving the equipment number. Normally, mostly 99% internal only will be used. Mostly. Okay. Very rare case. If the business need, we can do external. There is no issues. Normally, external will be alphanumeric. Mostly. Okay. And they prefer for like this compressor. Okay, engine like that. Most of the cases internal only. This is external, like FL. So this is external numbering. This is external. Internal means like without giving. Keep this enter. This is internal. This is called internal and external. Throw some questions. Anyone? Shankar, Sridhar, Shiva. Okay, so this is called internal and external. Okay. Now we'll see number ranges. Okay. So my category 2 is there. Okay. So if business is giving my equipment number should be some 3 lakh something to 5 lakh example. This is what they are giving. Okay. Can you link it directly? No, we need to link through group. We need to link through group. So this group consists of like this numbers 0 to 1 lakh. Okay. 1 lakh, 1 to 2 lakh or 1,50,000 or something. Okay. So this is one group. This is one group like the different groups may be there. Okay. First, if the business gives some number, you have to come and check in the system if it is already there. If it is already there, you need to assign your category to that group. Okay. Or you can tell to the business, no, this is already used by different groups. So give me a different number. This is the option. Entry perspective number ranges, just they may ask, not very important, I can tell. But when you go to the project, you should know. That's what I'm teaching this number ranges. Interview, yeah, very rare, not much important. Okay. So this is the document for number ranges. I'll send you. So in the PA module, number ranges are coming on 7 places: equipment, notification, work order, maintenance task list, maintenance plan, item, measuring points, measurement document, and revision. These are the places from the PM perspective. Number ranges are coming. Mostly, these number ranges will be handled in the year-end activity. Normally, in the year-end activity, they will check this current number ranges and all. Okay. So these are the object from the PM perspective. Number ranges. Mostly this number range work will be coming in the rollouts and implementation. Okay, it's not a yearly activity also you can help. For me, it happened only 2 years in my 2 times. In my 13 years, only 2 times I got this number range activity. Other than that, mostly in implementation rollouts you will get for all implementation the production system mainly. You will get this number range activity. Okay. So now we'll go to the system. So here is the number ranges for equipment category. Go inside. So this is group and display mode. This is group and change mode. Same group and display, group and change. Okay, if you go to change, okay, the top one. If you go to change, first will be non-assigned, unassigned groups. First will be, okay, others and all assigned groups. This all are assigned groups. This I only created morning. This two I only created. Okay. So this and all are groups. If you double click the group, you can see the numbers. This tick mark is external. Tick mark is external numbering. Okay. So you can see this one I created. External and internal. Okay. So external I kept as compressor 1 to 200 and internal as numbers. Okay. So this is how we need to create the group, under group, internal and external. This you can not urgent, you do in the weekends. Okay. No need to do practice today. Not from the entry perspective, but if you know it's good for the project, not for the entry. But remember this internal and external. These two you can write in your handout. This and all they won't go. But remember this works internal numbering and external. That's all. So, okay. Where you can come and see the running groups, you can see here. These are the running numbers in the system, which is being used. Okay. So if business is giving some numbers, you need to come and first to check here. That is your first one. If it is not used there, you can accept it. If not, you can tell it is already being used in the system. Can I use some other numbers or like that? You can request to the business. We can because no option. If it is already used in some other groups, we cannot use it again. Okay. So we'll see the free numbers. Yes, the same number if I use, it will throw overlap error. The same number if I'm using, it will throw me I'll show now. Okay, we'll see the system is here only. Hmm? Yeah. You will get this overlap error. Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you. So what I will do. So we'll take this one. Okay, so it is taken here. So till 109 it is there. So I'll start with 109 at 1. Okay, and for external we can take anything. Okay, so 1,900 something is used, right? Okay, go back, go to change group, create new group. Okay, create new group. I am putting Alvin 2. Okay, come here, give. Okay, this is number range number here 100, 900. Okay, 100, 950. We'll throw overlap error. Okay, so I'll put 12. Okay, if I save, it will throw overlap because this 900 is already used in the system. See, overlapping. Okay, so this is already used. So I am changing this 900 to 901. Now the error is not there. So if it is overlap, it will not allow you to save. It will not allow you. So I changed to 901 to 1,50,000. This is internal. Insert a line. See, default it took as external. Okay, it took as external. So now you can write here as engine 1 or whatever you want. Engine 100. This is external. This is internal and external. You can see the external tick mark. Number edges, it is little dry. First time you may not understand. Go in the weekends slowly, then you'll get it to understand. Not very big, complex. Little time it will take. That's it. Weekends you do it. No urgent to do no. Okay. So this is your group we created. Save it. Alvin 2. Save it. Okay. So back. Come down. Our group is here. Alvin 2. Okay. Double click. You can see external and internal. So go back. We created category 2, right? So where is that 2? Yeah. Click it. Okay, click it. Go to assign element to group. This element, I need to assign, I'm going to change the group to our group. So from this, I need to bring here. So I click here and click here, and this is ours. So click in this 06. You need to click in the cursor. Okay. First time you will get confused, do 2-3 times, it will be easy. Copy it. You can see now it will be in our group. See here. Now it is sitting in our group, our new category 2. Save it. Changes are saved. Double click here. So now create your new equipment. Category 2. External. Enter. Save it. Save it. What is the number? 109.1. This is how the numbers are coming. This is how the numbers are coming from the number ranges. Not only for equipment, full PM model and full SAB. Number range, this is the concept. Number range, this is the concept. And it will go up to 930, 940. Then it will start. Number range is exhausting. It will throw message. When it's throwing message, you need to come and check. Here I kept only 50, but normally it will be in lakhs or crores. It depends on the business. But before exhausting, system will throw error. Numbers are going to be exhausted like that. So at that time, you have to come and take care of the number range. Why it is get wow, what we need to extend like that. Yes. And the external numbering ENGIN1. Okay, so number 2 ENGIN1. This is external. Okay, okay, got it. So equipment category does not allow alphanumeric. Equipment category does not allow, even though at setup here it is not allowing, because in the equipment category, I told that alphanumeric one tick mark. I gave this tick mark, so it is not allowing the alphanumeric. Okay. Prohibits. Prohibits means oppose. Okay. If you remove this, it will allow you. Now it will allow you. Go out and come always. Category 2. Call external numbering. So this alpha tick mark is important. Okay. Only in equipment. Only equipment this alphanumeric control is there. Not for other places. Okay. Only in equipment they kept this. Okay. Orders and all it will not come. Orders, machine notification and all it will not come. Only in the here it will come. Work orders and all it will not come. You can see here. Only for equipment they kept that control. Here nothing. Okay. Yeah, that's what here. These are the groups for order. Order category comes here. There is no like alphanumeric control. It will be just totally different. Number ranges will not come. So this is about the number ranges. Okay. And what we need to see. Same, you can change the maintenance plan. This is also entry question. You can change the category. Okay. Deletion flag. Permit will come later. Object link. Object link last class we discussed, right? Object link last class we discussed in FL. Same. Linking two objects. Yes or no, Alvin? We discussed FL object link.
No, we haven't discussed actually object link topic.
Didn't. Okay. So it's nothing but linking two objects. Okay. Object link is nothing but two linking, irrespective of any plant also. Okay. For example, okay. For equipment IN07, okay, for FL IN04. Okay. Equipment IN07 for FL IN04. It is just linking any equipment irrespective of the plant also. It will not check the plant also. In the means there is no condition. There is no condition. It can be inside your plant, it can be outside the plant. For example, high temperature line. Okay. For example, high temperature line. Okay. So two equipments. For example, I am taking from different plant itself, I will take. Okay. 1010 plant and 1710 plant. Basically, I am taking different. You can take inside also. System will allow to change. It will not stop. There is no. Just in this This is an object where the temperature is high. This is another object, temperature is high. So I'm just linking. That is what object link. That is what object link. So this you can come and see in your equipment here. Okay, we can put this in right. ENGINI. ENGINI. N1. Okay. Oh, we didn't save it. One second. Save it. Okay, so come here. Okay, save it now. Okay. Now if you come to the equipment here, change, enter, structure, link object. You can see. So when I come to this equipment, the similar functionality which is having, if I had linked with object link like diesel tank. Okay, another diesel tank number I need. From this itself, I can get it the other number. I don't want to go and search in the system. If I had linked with the object link, 2 diesel tank is there. 1 tank number I have means I need another tank number. Like that, any similarity, high temperature line or oil line. Okay, so vacuum line, like that. That is called object link. Not important for the interview, just info. Just info. This is called object link. Okay, FL also is there. FL also this is there. And then this is your IH01. You can see in structure also. Okay, it's not right. You can see. Go to structure, install a REFL. Okay, and save it. You can start see in a structured way. You show like this. If you are doing some presentation with the business, you can do like this. Under this FL, this equip is other like that. You can. Okay. That is what this graphical structure. And this is your IH03. Yes, that's all. Equipment completed with the configurations and number ranges. Anyone have any open questions for me? Let me know, or I am okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alvin here.
Yes,
I
yes.
have I had a difficulty in understanding that number range concept actually.
It
So
will take
as far
some
I
time.
understand, as far I understand, we'll have an equipment category. Okay.
Yes, yes.
To equipment category, we'll assign the number range. So
Absolutely.
whenever we put a equipment category, those number ranges will get assigned to that particular equipment category. Okay. So my question is like the configuration, like intervals, groups. So if you tell from step-by-step procedure, suppose I have a equipment category E. Okay. I have to set a number range from 20,000 to 30,000 between those. So first, what I have to do? Okay, I have my equipment category.
Okay. First, you need to come and check in the running status whether the number what you told 20,000, 30,000 it is used here. Because if it is used, if you do, it will throw me overlap.
Okay.
I cannot use the same number. First, you need to come and check here whether it is being used here, or it will be here also. You will see the allowable limits or something will be there. Okay. Okay, free intervals it will be there, or you need to check here. Otherwise, it will throw error. If it is not there, go back, create a new group. Create a new group. Okay. This is the group name, because under group only numbers will be set. Under group only numbers will be set. So come here and what you told the number. Okay. So I am putting now 9 or 990. Okay. To 10100. So what you told 20,000 to 30,000, I had put as 1,90,000 to 1,100,000. And if you have external, insert a line, give your external number like mil1 to mil2. That's it. So under your group, internal and external is separate. Okay.
So this I understood. So first we have to come and check whether
Yes.
the number ranges
Yes.
are same number
Already.
ranges are available or not.
Yes.
If those numbers are not available, then we can create one group. Okay.
Yes.
In that
Yes.
group, we will have a number range number.
In that group, we are giving the numbers. What you told 20,000 to 30,000, we are giving here.
Yeah. So that will have unique number range number, right? 0708. Under that group.
So we are only giving here.
Yeah.
So what is the number you told, right? 27, 30, that I am giving here 27, 30,000.
Yeah, that I understood. Now I have a group with me. Once the group created, then
why it is created, you are asking. Because to the group only I can assign my numbers. In the group only I can assign. That's what I started. If a number is there, if I want to link to the category, that will be linked to the group.
Okay, then what is the next? Okay, now
the
I
next step.
create.
Next, yeah. Now this is ready. Your group is ready. Save it. Save it. This is your group. Okay, I'll give us rain. Just okay. I'm just giving us name. Save it. This is my group. Okay. Back. Now my group is empty because I did, the numbers are not there. Okay. So my group is empty now. Rain I created now, right? So it should be here. Set. Right. And create one more group. Rain 1. Okay. Come here. So as you okay. This is internal. If needed, external you can give or you can skip external. It depends on the business. Business nothing telling, you can skip external. Normally internal only will be used. So rain 1, save it. Changes are saved. Back. Yeah, we got the number range now. Normally the new created category will be in the non-assigned group. Normally, newly created our category 2 will be in the non-assigned, but we had already assigned in another group. Okay. So if you want, I will bring that also to non-assigned and I will do no choose one, right? I bring to non-assigned, I can bring, cannot bring, I think so. Yeah, non-assigned. So normally it will be sitting in the non-assigned. New categories. It will come and sit at default. Click it, click to assign group. This is what we created now.
Rain 1.
Yes. Click here and copy. That's it. If you come down, your new category will be sitting. New equipment category will be sitting under here. That's it. First time it will be little confused. If you this document you go through. Okay. To go through this document and do in the weekends. No urgent now. You can do slowly in the weekends. Others you can concentrate. Okay.
But this number range is like that is it is specific to that particular environment. We can't transport it, right?
No.
Because
No.
here there is
Here, yeah, normally not transportable. Yes, number ranges are not transportable. Yeah, not, but there is option, but normally it will be done on each system, development, quality, and production individual. And in production, during cutover, they will do this. This is a cutover activity for the production, number ranges. Cutover activity in the production, this number ranges. But we should know, as a consultant, we should know to handle number ranges, and from the entry perspective. Yes.